then with my fingers, I just kind of press them together so that your real lash and the fake eyelash become one. And that's the secret to making them look like your real eyelash. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the next eyelash, the Donna Lash right here. And we're gonna put it on the other eye. Same concept, placement is everything, so make sure you're placing them right next to your real lash. And then gently press them into your lid as close to your real lash as possible. And then press them together like so. And make sure that you're pressing the corners, because the corners are always what lifts first. But see, it's not that hard. But I'll tell you one thing, the real secret is the fact that my glue is tacky. And because my glue is tacky, when I placed them, it didn't take too long for the glue to hold onto my eyelid because it was already tacky. So that's the secret, you guys. I hope you learned how to put them on today. It's really not that hard, and then you get this beautiful cat eye look that you always wanted.